Are you always looking for that special gift for that RVer in your life? Well, today I'm going to share 12 great Amazon finds that you can have delivered to your doorstep by tomorrow morning. Hi, I'm Lisa, the Golden Glamper. Welcome back. It seems like we are always searching for that special gift for the people in our lives. Well, today I'm going to share my recent Amazon gift purchases with you, and stick around until the end because I have a special secret for you. So our number one gift on the list is the Stanbroil stainless steel top. Now this top is compatible with Blackstone grills and other types of tabletop griddles. What's really nice about this is when you get a Blackstone, it does have a steel top to it already. However, that particular black top needs to be seasoned initially and needs ongoing seasoning. You're also going to find that with a stainless steel top, the heat is going to reach a higher temperature and be more evenly distributed throughout. Cleanup also becomes a breeze with this type of top. It comes in 3 different sizes, a 22-inch, a 28-inch, and a 36-inch top. There is a rear grease system, and this is going to solve your rust problems and make it super easy to clean up. You're going to find that your food even tastes better on this stainless steel grill. So as far as cost is concerned, the 22-inch is about $149, the 28 is about $200 to $205, and the 36 is going to run you about $299. So if you already enjoy cooking on your Blackstone grill, this is just another way to up your game a little bit, and I think you're going to be really happy that you did. Number 2 on the list is also an accessory that you can use with your Blackstone griddle, and that is the Blackstone Windguards. Again, they come in the 22, 28, or 36-inch size to fit your griddle. These are magnetic wing guards, and the reason that I purchased these for my husband was he sometimes had trouble when we were in higher elevations or somewhere that was particularly windy, keeping the heat evenly distributed in the grill, and even sometimes keeping that flame protected. So this is going to help hold the heat. It's going to help you reach higher temperatures faster. You will save propane by concentrating heat on that griddle surface instead of having it escape. These are magnetic, so they just clip on, very easy to install. There is a storage case included, and it's going to run you somewhere between $21.84 and $28.49 depending on the size. So a very reasonably priced gift, and I know the griller in your RV life is going to love this. Number 3, we're still on the grill accessories, and this is an accessory set. Every great griller should have all the tools necessary to make those great outdoor meals. So the one that is on Amazon that I am recommending to you is a 35-piece flat top grill accessory kit. There is a spatula set that has both large and wide spatulas. There are basting covers, scrapers, burger presses. You are also going to find egg molds. So if you're making eggs for sandwiches in the morning, there are tongs, and there is a carving knife, 2 squirt bottles for water and oil when you're using that grill. There are S-hooks to attach everything conveniently to your grill table, and there is a salt and pepper holder. There is a canvas bag that everything can easily be stored in and then tucked into the garage of your RV. And this is only $31.98. So again, another very reasonably priced gift for that RVer. So moving away from the griddle, but moving into the realm of campfires. My husband loves to make a campfire. I love to sit by a campfire. I think that it is just such an integral part of our RVing experience. Well, a few years ago, we switched out into a solo stove for our campfires. And we did it for a couple of reasons. There are a lot of campgrounds that no longer have open fire pits or don't allow open fire pits. When you're sitting around that campfire, very often that smoke is just wafting over you and drenching your clothes, your hair with that smoke odor. With these smokeless solo stoves, you're no longer going to experience that. So these come anywhere from a 19.5 all the way up to a 27-inch size. These are a little bit more expensive. They run between $299 to $499. There are less expensive off brands available on Amazon as well. You will find that they have excellent heat output and they balance portability with size. So they're very easy to store in the garage of your RV. So I highly recommend a solo stove. Check them out on Amazon and also look for the alternatives while you're there. Now, an accessory to this solo stove that you can purchase on Amazon is a screen cover. Again, there are many campgrounds that are going to require you to have that screen cover, including Fort Wilderness and some of the more popular campgrounds throughout the country. This is going to help you prevent sparks. It is a safety feature when you have children or pets around, and it's only about $149, which again, I know is maybe a little bit expensive for a cover, but you're going to find that it is well worth it. Number 6 on the list is also another accessory for your campfire, and this is a Wagner Electro torch fire starter. This allows you chemical-free fire start. It works with heated air. It is going to start your fire very quickly with less fuss, and it has a built-in blower that is going to help the flames not only to ignite, but to build your fire. This will light a charcoal fire in under a minute. It lights logs in seconds. It is only $39.99 on Amazon, and it is something that my husband loves using when he is starting our campfires for us. A few years ago, I bought my husband a flagpole holder that attached to our hitch, and it held 2 flags. Unfortunately, what we found with that is that we couldn't always use it. It did pick up a lot of the wind gusts, and so what I got him to replace that is a suction cup flag holder, and they do only hold 1 flag, so I got him 2 for our flags. But these are super sturdy, and what's nice about it is that you can put it on any side of your RV or even on your car or truck when you are camping. They are more sturdy than the pole flag holders that you put in the hitch. We do not use ours when we're driving. Some people I do know like to have their flags displayed while they are driving. So this certainly is one of those options to allow you to do so, or even attach it to a golf cart so that when you are driving around the campground, you can have your flags attached to that as well. This locks on with suction. There are sizes small to extra large, and the prices range anywhere from $19.99 up to $49.99. But this is a great gift if you have an RVer that does like to display flags like we do. My husband has the Naval Academy flag as well as the American flag whenever we are camping. Number 8 comes in at a hefty price tag of almost $500, but this is something that now that I have gifted it to my husband, we can never imagine doing without, and that is the Go Blue Tech water filtration system. Whenever you're in a campground, you are at the mercy of the water quality and filtration of that campground, and some are much better quality than others. This filtration system is going to significantly improve your water quality through ultrafine micron filtration, which removes all the particles from your water. This is a quick connect system. It hooks up in seconds. It weighs only 11 pounds and it comes in a storage case, which is easily stored in your garage bay. And if you do have any questions, we found that they have an excellent customer service department that is very responsive. This is easy installation. One thing that we really like about this is that the company is veteran owned. And again, you are going to make a little bit of investment in this, but in my opinion, well worth it. I would, for the safety of our pets, want to make sure that ensure that we are always able to access clean water while we are camping. Number 9 is something that you may already have in your possession. Most even brand new campers get these first, and that is camping chairs. But I'm going to recommend a specific chair from Alpha Camp. These are heavy duty chairs. They hold up to 350 pounds. And when you're ready to upgrade your chairs, these are a great option for you. They come in many different colors. They are super comfortable, super portable. They fold easily. They have a storage bag. They have an insulated pocket for drinks, which I really like. And they are going to run you about $59.99 each on Amazon. So check out the Alpha camping chairs and make your camping experience a little bit more comfortable. Number 10 is something that I bought for my husband for Christmas this year, and that is the Chubory X10 Pro Drone with camera. This little drone is great for beginners. So this is a new hobby for him, and he is just learning to fly it now and having no problem whatsoever. This comes with a 4.5 little monitor screen. There is auto return on the drone. It has a 90-minute flight time and comes with 3 batteries that you can recharge for the drone. Has a long control range. It has follow me mode. It is a foldable quadcopter and comes with extra blades. The image quality is excellent and it is super light. It is also 360-degree capable. So when we are getting those overhead shots, that is exactly what I was looking for. This is a reasonably priced drone. And again, excellent for beginners. It is only $139.99. So highly recommend this for those of you that want to take drone footage on your RV vacations and are just getting started with something like this. Number 11 is something a little bit different, and that is a coffee subscription, but not just any coffee subscription. We subscribe to Free Rein Coffee, which is the coffee company that is co-owned with Cole Hauser from Yellowstone fame. And this is a Texas-based coffee company. This coffee is rich, it's dark, there is no bitterness or acidity to the coffee. And if you are like George and I and really enjoy a great cup of coffee, especially that first cup of coffee in the morning when you are camping, you are going to love this coffee. It is 100% Arabica bean coffee. The bags are about $21, $22 each, but if you get a subscription, they are a little bit less, and we get ours delivered every month so that we have plenty for both our home as well as our RV. Highly recommend you check this out. There are many different flavor variations, so you're gonna find a Free Rein coffee that you love as much as we love ours. Ours is called American Dirt. All the names are pretty original like that, by the way. And number 12 is my big secret, because this is something that I just purchased for this upcoming Father's Day. I have not given it to George yet as a Father's Day gift, but we're going to be on a camping trip to the Georgia mountains and the Tennessee mountains, and I can't wait to give this to him. And that is the Ninja Slushie frozen drink machine. Let me get that right. It holds 88 ounces of liquid that it will rapidly chill. So it's easy fill and chill. It comes out the perfect texture. This is an easy to clean machine, simple to use, not very loud, and it runs about $259. I know that our camping cronies are going to love having this along for our journeys during the end of June this year. And as always, I would love to hear from you. So what RV gifts have you given in the last year? Is there something that really stands out? I would love to check it out. Please share your comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing and liking so that we can always have you along for the journey. Until next time, stay golden and stay glam, and I'll see you down the road.